Where does God come from, or who created God? The Bible doesn't say where God came from. The God of the Bible is not affected by time, by space, or matter. Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning, time, God Elohim created the heavens, space, and the earth, matter. God was always there. Isaiah 43:10. Before me there was no God formed, and there will be none after me. God is an infinite creator God. He was, He is, and He will always be. No matter how much we know nothing compared to what God knows. The Bible teaches that God is the eternal, self-existent, uncreated being who is the source of all life and existence. God's nature is incomprehensible to the finite human mind. The question, who created God or where does He come from, does not apply to the God of the Bible, as He exists outside the created order and has no beginning or end. It is written. Yes, amen.